Hi, we're from Young Professional 65B class, and we're from Syndicate 5. And here in our syndicate, we have Miss Anna Christine, Mr. Fernando, Miss Justia Anissa, Miss Violeta, and myself, Tamara. We would like to present you about scenario planning of BCA. But before we jump into the scenario planning, my dear friend Miss Anna is going to start to give us a little upbringing first about what is scenario planning in general.
In this scenario planning, we were talking about definition, function, components, types, and stages of a scenario planning. Scenario planning is a process of imaginative and creative thinking that is useful in revealing critical uncertainties, risks, and opportunities of future states. The function of scenario planning is to build resilience in business environment and negotiating a path between the false certainty of single outcome and paralysis. The next one are the components. The first one is the key focal issue, which is the orientation. The second is driving forces, and the next one is critical uncertainties. These two components will talking about the exploration in this scenario planning. Component 4 to 6 will talking about scenarios and narrative. Next is the seventh component about implication and options, which may lead to the option consideration. The last one is the early warning signals that will talk about the integration of the scenario planning. These are types of the scenario planning. The first one is adaptive, which is the best to adapt and thrive in those features. The second one is transformative, which is to transform the situation to influence what could happen in the future. The third one is strategic reframing, to reframe and reperceive present situation that allows intervention in its strategic choices. Bank Sentral Asia Terbuka, or BCA or BBCA, was established on August 10, 1955. BCA is a leading private bank in Indonesia that plays an important pillar of the Indonesian company and has a mission to build institutions that excel in payment and settlement and a financial solution for business and individual customers. Next slide will be presented by View.
In the stage of scenario planning, there are orientation, exploration, scenarios creation, option consideration, and integration. For the stage 1, orientation. In nowadays generation, digital transformation has changed a lot of our activities. In the banking sector itself has fundamentally changed on how banks operate and how they service their customers. The traditional banking system offered the past, and it is required a significant amount of time and manpower. There is an urgent need for digital transformation to fasten up and ease the task. Not to forget, on the pandemic of COVID-19 has also created a big impact on the scenario, with lockdowns being imposed and the security of our health getting worse. People have adopted net banking and prefer carrying over every single banking activity at the tip of their finger. So as for the solution is undoubtedly to going towards digitalization. The potential of digital banks in Indonesia to accelerate is quite high, seeing the huge underlying market with significant room for penetration, and accelerate by the increasing of competitive landscape and supportive regulation for the government. In Indonesia itself, the users of digital bank application grew 7% in 2020, and new players already strike hard and grow fast for about 2 up to 5 times growth. One of the most popular bank in Indonesia, BCA, has opened their door into digital bank world in 2021, and it needed much more improvement to go. So, when we go to the conventional bank, there are abundance of fees on everything. You also need to visit the branch, and conventional banking doesn't care about your funding. On the other hand, digital banking has low to no fees on everyday banking, easy to use everywhere and every time. You don't need to go to the branch. Budgeting and analytic tools also helps you stay on top of your funding. So in this stage 1, our key focal issues is about digital transformation that has penetrated into banking and the urge of need of BCA that must transform into digital bank to compete with competitor and follow the direction of technology movement. The next slide will be presented by Fernando.
The second stage is exploration. We must to identify the driving force and the critical uncertainties influencing the key focal issue. Exploration is about what we don't know. We have knowledge and data about the past, but all decisions are about the future. Now, pandemic COVID-19 is impact to economic condition and technology innovation. The habit of people are changes. The competition between bank more competitive. We have to transform everything into digital, especially industry of banking. Exploration is related to driving force. Driving force has 3 points. The first is organization, second is transactional, third is contextual. 3 of point driving force related each other. We can break down 3 driving force from key focal issue into this. We have 21 points for organizational. It is about the actor of internal industry. The transactional is about the market, and the contextual is about the technology, economic, regulation, and condition of state. From 21 points of driving force, we can describe into chart. This chart is a comparison between uncertainty and impact of each driving force. The uncertainty is about condition we don't know in the future and hard to forecast it because it is fluctuative. The impact is about the driving force on everything that affects the industry from all sides. We have done an assessment, and it can be seen that competitor availability and technology development is the main core of driving force of this scenario planning. The third stage is scenario creation. In this stage, we select of critical uncertainties to frame the scenario matrix and then create narrative for each scenario. From the highest of driving force, which is competitor availability and technology development, insert into the scenario matrix. So we have 4 scenarios in this matrix. The first scenario is low competitor availability and low technology development. The second scenario is high competitor availability and conventional technology. The third scenario is low competitor availability but digital of technology. And the fourth of scenario is high competitor availability and high digital technology. We need to sensitive with the scenario and we need to prepare in future each scenario.
In this stage, we must explore the impact of negative and positive of each scenario before. For the first scenario is a vital scenario. This scenario has a limited growth rate. Many people, resources inside will be increase the operational cost, but the productivity is low. The second scenario is the business as usual, in which the company continues to operate as usual owing to lack of technology that would allow for a changed market penetration equivalent to the new marketing plan. Company must invest more to win the competition, which means they increase the cost. For the next scenario is segmented scenario. This scenario has a low competitor availability with a small or fragmented market. Technological costs will be in effect greater on the technology maintenance, making it harder to attain a cost-effective level. The last scenario is technology evolution. This scenario has a digital technology development and high competitor availability. This scenario will create a new level of competition. Besides that, this scenario has consequences of a significant increase of demand from the customer with financing background. We also prepare option for each scenario, and this section we identify the option to live in each scenario and to improve in each scenario. For the survival scenario, we have option to focus on customer who like to do things the old-fashioned way and create a powerful brand. For the scenario of business as usual, we could focus on making use of existing resources, and unproductive assets or resources should be shut down or let down. And for the segmented scenario, we could focus on enchanted user participation and focus on establishing a market leader in a certain specialty. And the last is for the technology evaluation, we could make a service that are distinctive and improve it or accelerate. And for the next stage will be represented by Tamara.
Stage 5, integration. So this last step is integration. We integrate all of the stage into early warnings. We use scenario as part of the management processes. We then categorize each of it into 4 categories, which are segmented scenario, survival scenario, technology scenario, and business as usual scenario. If we take a look into this early warning signs, this scenario matrix, some scenario that leads into more digital in the technology development, and there are the ones that are more conventional. While there are also lows and highs for the competitor availability, this last step could help to think every options that could potentially affect the company issue. I assume that is our presentations about scenario planning. Thank you. Hope you have a good day.